All right, to note, if you want to take out the pins in a cross drive system, you have to use a pipe wrench, and you take your hammer, your sledgehammer, and you hammer it, loosen it, and then you take a longer one than this, but you tighten it up where it starts tightening on the pin, and then you start pulling up and twisting it.
You're loosening the dirt.
And you're twisting it inside that hole and pulling it out at the same time. And it can be done. If you try to pull it out with a winch truck or anything else, they're going to be circles or U-shaped. They're not going to come out very easy. But that's how I've done it over and over again. Some of them are harder than others, and they'll have rust on the end of them. You'll end up having to knock off some of the rust to get it to go through this head. And that's what you do, though. You use a pipe wrench and you twist and hold it, pulled up on it at the same time.
That's because you're American.
Yep, you're not Americans, you're Americans. See you guys.